Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm back with a new website. It's called GreenGeeks. So like usual, let me give you a short idea about this website before we start. So the GreenGeeks is an eco-friendly web hosting company that offers reliable hosting services, including shared hosting, WordPress hosting, reseller hosting, and VPS hosting. They provide sensibilities, provide a user-friendly interface, and offer excellent customer support. So to get started, you need to go over here, the search bar on Google, and write GreenGeeks or GreenGeeks.com. So this is the result I got after my search. So we will need this one, not the sponsored one, but the official sites. That means this one, www.greengeeks.com. that means GreenGeeks fast, secure, and eco-friendly hosting. So this is the interface of this web hosting. Let's accept all the cookies to use it easily. Like you find here some plans, like all the hosting webs with different prices right here. This is the cheapest one, is the WordPress hosting, and also the WooCommerce hosting is the same price right here. So we will back to this page later. First, let's try to log in or get started. To get started for the first time, we need to select a plan. If you already have an account, you will just log in from here. But this is the first time for us, so we need to choose one first. Let's try with this one. It's the WordPress hosting, lightning fast speed, security, and expert support for the WordPress powered and websites. So let's click over here. So this is the page that we get. Now, to get started, we need to choose the light one or the pro one or the premium. Okay, and this is the services that we will get if we need choose one of them. Excuse me. So now, if we choose the light one, we will pay $2 plus $95 per month. If we choose the pro one, and it's the most popular, we will pay $4 plus $95 per month. If we choose the premium one, we will pay $8 plus $95 per month. And this is all the services that we will get, like I said before. So let's try to get started to show you how to create accounts. I will not create account now because I don't need and use this website. I will just show you the steps. So now let's set up your domain name. Okay, new domain name. We have like already usual. It's Academy. Okay, let's choose the first one. Okay, we don't have any domain, so we will write the information right here. If you have already a domain, you will write it right here. Okay, let's click on next. Domain is not available. Please try another domain name. Okay. So after that, the second step, you're almost live. Your web hosting order for hostgenius.com will be live on GreenGeeks in just a few minutes. That means after we complete the recreating our account. Here you need to write your email. Like example, I will put just this email. first name right here. Let's try to write it. I will not complete the creating my account. Okay. Your last name, your business name, this one is optional. When you find this word optional, that means you can just skip this step. Okay, you need to write your street address here. Okay, here the city, here the states, and the zip postal code right here. And you need to choose one from these countries right here. It is all the countries right here. Then your phone code and the phone number. This phone code is support to the country that you live in. This information should be right and correct, and like it's written in your ID code. ID card. So now let's go to the informations about our credit card. The account plan equals slide 15 annually, 2 plus $95 per month, and you can edit it whenever you want. And this is the payment information, the credit card number. You can find it right here. You see here the small numbers, it's maybe 14 or 15 numbers, and the expiration months, you can also find this right here, and the expiration year, and the CVV2 code. You can find it behind the card, okay, not front of, behind the card. And then you will click here that I have read and agree to the terms of service and have acknowledged receipt of the privacy policy and etc. And then you will create accounts. Okay, I cannot because I don't full all the cases here. Like you see here, if I click on, you find that I don't write all the cases. So now we will back to the interface page to know more details about this website. But you need to complete the creating your account to use this website. Okay, now we will just read what's on it. And this website is present to you the eco-friendly hosting. That means is committed to minimizing environmental impact by utilizing renewable energy to power their data center, making them an environmentally conscious choice for web hosting. Is also present to you hosting options and reliable performance, and also the user-friendly interface and excellent customer support and sustainable energy, and also website migration assistance. And you can find here the enhanced security and scalability and resource allocation, and also the free marketing and CEO tools. So all these key features make GreenGeeks a reliable and environmentally conscious choice for individuals and businesses seeking hosting services with a focus on sensibilities and performance. And you can hear other information, important information like hosting right here, and our platform. You will choose whatever you want, that's independent on you, and the blog right here, and you can read about them right here, and the affiliates. So and when you already create account, it's just gonna show right here. So I hope you understand. So if you like the video, please follow and subscribe for more. So like usual, the sentence, bye bye for the next video and next website.